Hello everyone and welcome. Has your mic been cutting out on Discord? Has your mic been cutting out on Discord? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So let's get started. The first step you need to take is to check your connections and hardware. For the microphone, ensure the microphone is securely plugged into your computer, the USB or audio jack. Then try a different port if possible. If it's a powered mic, check the power source. Make sure the microphone itself is muted. If using a headset, check the cable connection and volume control on the headset itself. If you have multiple audio input devices, like webcam mic, make sure the Discord is on the correct one. Next, adjust your Discord settings. Open Discord settings as the gear icon, go to voice and video, adjust the input sensitivity slider. High sensitivity can help if your voice is quiet, but too high can cause distortion or cutting out. Experiment with push to talk if voice activity is causing issues. Toggle noise suppression on and off sometimes it can interfere with your voice. Do not forget to disable echo cancellation if it is causing problems. Next step is to check audio drivers. Update your drivers because outdated drivers can cause audio problems. Don't forget to have your updated driver, search for device manager and update your audio input drivers and update your audio input devices drivers. For Mac OS, go to System Settings. Click on Sound. Select Input and check for driver updates. You can reinstall drivers if audio doesn't help. If update doesn't help, try uninstalling and reinstalling your audio driver. The fourth step you can take is software and background processes. Close any applications that might be using your microphone, e.g. other voice chat programs or recording software. Some background programs can also interfere with audio, so try temporarily disabling non-essential programs. Also temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall to see if they are blocking Discord. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause audio interruptions, so check your internet connection. You can also try changing your Discord server region to one closer to your location. You can also restart Discord. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. You can also restart your computer. This can resolve software conflicts or resource issues. But if all fails as a last result, try completely uninstalling and reinstalling Discord. And if the problem persists, try testing your microphone in other applications. For example, voice recorder and voice conferencing to see if the issue is specific to Discord. If it is a hardware issue, you may need to replace your microphone or headset. It's as simple as that. So these are ways for you to fix your mic cutting out on Discord. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to for more. Thanks for watching.